nakita ko sa vlog, maraming tao dito. Tapos today, walang tao. Galing. Nahulog na ako, papakita ko na lang sa TikTok. I hope when you visit churches all over the world, you try to kneel first, pray first, and then you can take photos and videos. Galing ng asawa ko. Ang tamis. Good morning, day 2 in New York City. Today, we will be going to the Rockefeller Center, Bryant Park. Medyo umuulan. Ayan, naliligaw kami. Hindi namin alam kung saan kami pupunta. Pero technically, madali lang naman mag-commute dito. Kailangan mo lang ma-familiarize yourself with the trains. Kung nakayanan namin yung Japan, kaya namin yung New York kasi mas madali. At least hindi mahangin. Ayaw namin pag mahangin kasi sobrang lamig. I think we've been here na.
I think we passed by here.
Oo. Ngayon, we're looking for the Rockefeller Center.
So he was asking if we're going to the ice skating rink.
Oh, is there?
Yeah. That guy.
Oh, kasi merong ice skating rink dito sa Rockefeller.
We've been here. Radio City.
Yeah. Ayan, so hinahanap namin. Mahal kayo yung Google Maps kasi isang malaking building yun eh. Parang hindi dito yun. Yung Rockefeller Center, that's where you'll see the Empire State Building nang mas malapit. Pwede naman kami umakit ng Empire State pero we choose not to. Kasi mas maganda siyang tignan kaysa puntahan. Parang ganon. So excited din ako kasi may balak akong puntahan yung mga Gossip Girl sites. Pero sana malalapit lang dito para hindi ganun kalayo yung lakad namin. Welcome to the heart of New York City. So, level 2 and 3. 3 levels kasi po. Yun, umuulan. Boom. Galing talaga. Kasi, yung nakita ko sa vlog, maraming tao dito. Tapos today, walang tao po. Galing. So, that's the Central Park. Yan. Tapos, dito naman sa kabila, yung Empire State. That one is the Empire State. Dito, makikita mo sa top of the rock yung lahat ng iconic buildings here in New York. So, this is the best viewing deck. Meron pang mga skylift, merong beam, pwede kang umupo, tapos umiikot sila. Pero extra bayad yun, $38 per person. Siyempre, hindi na tayo nag-ganon, hindi naman kailangan. We just need the view. But for the experience, you can choose to do that. You can book this from Klook. Use my discount code, Klook, 5 times. Sobrang lamig ng hangin. Kainis. Pero ang ganda ng view. Grabe. How was your ice skating first time experience?
Shaky.
Hirap mag-balance, pero kaya naman, di ba? Yeah. Nahulog na ako, papakita ko na lang sa TikTok. Nagpaghulog ko kanina. Feeling ko natay ako.
In Rockefeller!
Look at this. So nice. So now we're gonna walk towards St. Patrick's Cathedral. Yan, dasal muna kami doon. We're going to try to enter the Blessed Sacrament. Nasa bandang likod daw yun. It's one of the best Blessed Sacraments na itsura. Yung itsura sa St. Patrick's Cathedral. Excited. Di na kami umabot sa misa eh. 1 o'clock yung masayang. Wow, look at that St. Patrick's Cathedral. Oh my God, ang ganda. So, I'm here inside St. Patrick's Cathedral. I highly suggest that you enter and go to the Blessed Sacrament Adoration Chapel and spend time there thanking the Lord for all the blessings and ask for forgiveness. Tapos, there are also posts here or yung mga ganito to commemorate the saints. You can pray the prayer stated there. So, this is at the back of the church. Merong St. Michael. Yan, I prayed the St. Michael's prayer. And then, ito yung likod nung St. Patrick's Cathedral. This is the altar. Right. So, parang nakakagaan ng feeling yung pagpunta mo dito, pagpasok mo dito. Ibang klase. I'm just glad that we were able to pray. Bawal lang video sa loob. I took a picture, of course. I also lit a candle for the petitions and the intentions that I have. I also prayed for everyone who asked for prayers from us. Of course, Mama Mary. I pray the Memorare here. This is the altar of St. Patrick's Cathedral. Divine Mercy. So, mag 3 o'clock na. In 3 minutes, best to pray the Divine Mercy here. So, I hope when you visit churches all over the world, you try to kneel first, pray first, and then you can take photos and videos to remember your visit. Ang maganda dito sa St. Patrick's Cathedral, lahat ng prayers nakalagay. So, you can pray first before you take photos. It's the best time to connect with our Father since na-bless naman niya tayo sobrang deserve niya yung love natin. Sobrang deserve niya yung adoration natin. Yan yung praises natin. So, ayun yung asawa ko. Kasi Divine Mercy and devotee. We're just walking along 5th Avenue and you'll find all the luxury items here, including the Louis Vuitton building. Tada! Nakikita nyo ba ang nakikita ko? B1?
It's a bag.
It's a Louis Vuitton building in New York City. So you'll see all the luxury items here in 5th Avenue. Isang street yan. So ito, Tiffany, Gucci, and all. Pero hindi naman tayo papasok dyan dahil hindi pa natin afford. Pero kung afford ko man yan, hindi ko ako bibili. Kasi nga, I would rather spend my money on experiences, travels. Kung may magbibigay, of course, I would gladly receive it with my whole heart. Dito kami sa ilalim ng Louis Vuitton na building. Ayan o. Louis Vuitton. Yan. Papunta na kami ngayon sa Central Park.
Sa The Plaza, that's where he stayed. Sa
Who?
Home Alone na movie.
Tsaka sa Bride Wars.
Sa Bride Wars, that's where they want to get married.
Ito
at
yun.
The Plaza.
Ito yan. That's the Plaza. Yan. The Plaza, New York na may ginagawa sa baba. And then the Apple Store here na transparent. Yan. Grabe naman tong food cart na to. $50 yung pagkain namin. 15? Akala ko 50. Kaya ako nag-react. Guess what we're doing? We're biking. Biking along
Central Park.
Central Park. Oh my God, ang galing ng asawa ko mag-bike. Ilang miles daw to? 6 miles?
Yeah.
6 miles daw ito. Ah, you wanna rest? Let's rest there, oh. Parang ginagawa niya.
Pangat eh.
Kaya nga. Para you have the lakas. Ito na ang reality namin. Paakyat. Pagod na kami! Ang galing ng asawa ko. Pagod na kami. Pero ang ganda. Diyos ko, napakalaki na itong Central Park. Ay. I can see the light, mahal. Ang tindi. Ang dami nagjo-jogging, ang dami nagbabike dito. Kasi nga, 6 miles to. Grabe. Ang lupit. Oh, tamo, nagre-racing pa sila. Pataas to uphill. Yun nyo, weird yung mga exit nila. Paano ka mag-exit dito? Paano ba?
Here.
Ah. Oh my God, di na muna tanga ako. Oh, this is the Bryant Park. Today in Bryant Park. So, malaki pala talaga tong Bryant Park na to. Welcome to the rink. So, there's an event here in Bryant Park. Oh! It's a big ice skating rink. Tingnan mo, oh. And then, parang may bumper cars doon. May kainan din. So, mukhang pastime talaga nila mag-skating. Ice skating. Bryant Park. Bryant Park pala is so big na parang buong to ay Bryant Park.
Nasa gitna siya ng building.
Nasa gitna siya ng mga building. It's so alive. This place is so alive.
When Hershey's syrup on top?
Yes!
Of course, everything, all the good stuff, right?
Yeah.
Yes. That is really sinful, you know that?
I know.
There we go.
Yay, thank you.
You're so welcome.
Thank you.
Of course.
So, bumili lang kami nitong s'mores, this one. Kasi nakita niyo naman sa previous video, medyo mahirap lang siyang, kung alam paano siya kakain. Kailangan pipiin siya. Ang sarap! Ang tamis! We're going to Grand Central Terminal. This is their Grand Central Terminal. Wow, we're now here at the Grand Central Terminal. Serena, where are you? Wow, look at that. So, Sobrang ganda ng view from up above. Makikita mo yung mga taong nagmamadali, yung iba nagpa-picture, yung iba ginagamit yung Gossip Girl scene. Tapos sa likod ko may Apple Store. Diba? This is actually a train terminal. Pero, ang dami nangyayari dito.
Nobody knew what to expect. Like, we didn't have all the options.
So, for dinner, we just chose to eat here in Ichiran kasi gusto namin ng mainit na sabaw, tapos gusto namin yung malasa, tapos sobrang gutom na rin kami. It's already 9 o'clock. Yung ramen dito is almost $22. So, 1-2 ang ramen dito. Parang same price sila ng Hong Kong. Pinakamurang Ichiran, syempre sa Japan. So, yun. Pero sulit naman to kasi gutom kami, tsaka masarap talaga. Alam mong sulit na. So, minsan lang naman nandito, might as well. Mga dahilan, ano? Sarap. Lasang ramen nagi. Totoo naman, aminin nyo. Ito nakakain sa Ichiran. Pero ang dami naman noodles. Kaya sulit sa bayad.
True.
Good morning. This is our day 3 here in New York. We're on our way to Chelsea Market. It's one of their famous markets and tourist spots as well. Kasi madaming shops daw. So, let's see. It's actually, ilang degrees ba today? 7 kanina eh. But it feels like 2. Windy ngayon eh. Ang hirap kasi, alam mo, okay lang yung lamig. Pero yung hangin, yung hindi makatarungan. Alam mo yun. Tapdi ng mukha mo. Tapos, ang lamig sa kamay. Nanginginig na yung kamay ko. So, yan, naka-gloves ako ngayon. Pero maganda sa gloves na to. Binili ko to sa Australia. Winter din sa Australia nung binili ko to. Kasi hindi ko kinaya yung lamig. Pwede yung mag-text, pwede mag-phone using these gloves. So, hindi naman mahirap. I think we are 2 streets away. I know, 1 street away from Chelsea Market. After this, we're going to Market 57 pa yun. Tapos mag-highline kami. Tapos susulitin na namin kasi last day na namin today. Last full day. Kasi tomorrow, ang flight namin going to San Francisco is 2 p.m. So, baka mag-brunch na lang kami bukas. Wala na kaming magagawa tomorrow. Yun! Thanks for keeping me company. I guess this vlog is for us to remember when we grow older. So, yun. Kaya wala ko masyadong makwento. Ang hirap pala mag-vlog kasi kailangan mo magkwento palagi. Ganda ng mga nilalakad. Actually, it's our first time too. Syempre, first time namin dito eh. Pero itong side na to ng New York is different from the other side of mga napuntahan namin.
Side siya.
Oo, parang nasa Europe yung feeling. Look, we spotted the Catholic Church. It's Our Lady of Guadalupe at St. Bernard. Santuario de Nuestra Señora de Guadalupe. Let's go there. Ayun, doon na pala yung asawa ko. My goodness, nauna na siya. Oh, I'm so happy to see a Catholic church. Always want to be a part of our itinerary. Ang ganda. Sige, pasok tayo. Let's say thanks and prayer for our journey today and tomorrow. Tapos na tayong magdasal. I just want you guys to take a look at the altar. Ganda ng altar. May misa daw yata later eh. Kaya nagpe-prepare. Gusto ko nga tanungin kung Pilipino yung pare kasi siya yung nagpe-prepare, mukha siyang Pinoy. So yun lang. We're off to our real destination, which is the Chelsea Market. Oh, sobrang ganda na ito. Change of plans, no? Since kanina, dumating kami dito, 5 minutes to 12. Nakita namin na may misa everyday at 12:10. So, nag-decide kami mag-mass na. 30 minutes lang may mass since weekday ngayon. Ang kinagandahan talaga sa Catholic masses, kahit nasan ka sa buong mundo, pare-pareho lang ang order of mass. Readings lang naman yung pagkakaiba. Kung ibang language yung readings, meron namang app. Kami may feast app kami na ginagamit. Andun yung mga readings for the day. So, pwede mong basahin yun kung iba yung language. Pero, yung mga responses, you can say it in English in your mind. Pero dito buti English, di ba? Pero, just like how we did in Hong Kong, pag Chinese mass, o kaya in Korea or in Japan, ganyan, iba-iba yung language. Pwede. Yun ang mga ganda sa Catholic masses. You can enter anytime. You can enter all you want. You can stay.
The church is free.
The church is free for all. It's a blessing to hear mass here in New York. And on Wednesday pala, nasa Seattle kami. It's Ash Wednesday na. Ang bilis, ano? Holy Week na agad. So, yun lang. Punta na kami sa Chelsea Market. Thank you, Lord, for the blessings. Approaching Chelsea Market. So, sa original itinerary namin, kasama tong Starbucks Reserve Roastery kasi apparently thing sa kanila yung mga Starbucks Reserve and malaki kasi, so hindi lang siya coffee, it serves a lot. Pero since hindi naman kami coffee lovers or hindi naman ako nagko-coffee talaga, tsaka hindi rin ako mahilig sa mga ganyan, we'll skip that and just proceed there in the Chelsea Market, yung building na yan. In front of the Chelsea Market is the Google Store. Interesting. Pasok nga tayo. Ano makikita natin dito? Google Pixel with Gemini. Gemini ba yung ano nila? Ano ba yung ano nila? Google phone. It's a Google phone. Oh, linaw natin. Ito yung Google Store. Google TV Streamer. Ngayon lang ako nakakita nito Google TV Streamer. This one is a Google something home app. You can live stream the living room from your wrist. It's crazy. Pinindot namin tong Nest doorbell na to. Tapos lumabas kami dun sa monitor. Nakikita mo kung sino yung nasa labas. So these are the products of Google. Medyo madami, nakaka-overwhelm. Iba-iba. From outdoor to indoor. From audio to Google TV Streamer. So, mga kainan, pizza, chocolates. Yan yung mga nandito sa Chelsea Market. May mga bilihan ng flowers. Meron din silang Muji, like yung Muji na brand, no, Japanese brand. Muji Market. Noodles, pizza, pasta,
Cereal,
biscuits. Ito, German beer. Bread, bakery. Ganito yung tsura ng market nila. O, diba? Ang ganda ng market nila. Daming restaurants inside.
everyone's lining up.
Why are they lining up? Oh, the Los Tacos is here. Yes, it's the #1 tacos. Let's line up as well. Since marami nakapila, pipila din tayo. Ganun tayo. Hindi na kami makikipila doon kasi sayang oras. Marami pa kami pupuntahan today. Tapos marami namang Los Tacos sa New York. Meron din malapit sa pupuntahan namin mamaya. So, okay lang din naman. Isang Google lang naman yan. So, ayan. Titingnan lang namin kung anong meron dito. Since it's a market, maraming mga arts and crafts. Mga libro. Onigiri. So, ayun na nga po, no? Kala ko mark safe tayo sa Chelsea Market. Pero nakabili tayong earrings. Ayan, suot ko na. Kasi nawala yung earrings ko. So, sabi ko, ito na lang para kiklip na lang. Hindi ko na problemahin yung pakaw. Thank you, mahal, for buying me a new earrings. So, we're going now to Market 57, which is just across the street. It's a food hall. So, ito yung Pier 57. So, meaning, nandyan yung Market 57.
Yeah,
Inside. So, just across Chelsea Market. Tawid tayo. Everything is in Google Maps, guys. So, don't worry. Madali maglakad, madali mag-commute. Pero, ano siligaw mo?
Optimus. Optimus Prime.
Parang si Raul. Pero mas mahirap pa rin sa Japan for us kasi mas nakakalito yun compared here. So, this Market 57 is a food hall. Nakakita si Mike ng Asian food. So, we're gonna go for Chinese. Miss na namin. Marami rin nagbebenta ng kung ano-ano dito. Tapos meron silang rooftop park. Let's see it later. So, ito ang lunch namin. And this one. Bon appetit!
Funny na yung mga nagluluto ng Chinese. Mexicano. Diba?
Ganun din naman yung mga Pilipino na nagluluto ng ganyan. Iba-ibang cuisine. Tingnan nyo kung saan kami dinala. Dahil nandito kami sa Market 57. Look! Oh my God, ang ganda. It's a rooftop park ng Market 57. Look at the view. Guys, this is a free tourist spot, ha? Yan, dyan kami pupunta later. That's Little Island. May shows dyan, usually. Merong park, or you can tambay, you can meditate. So, that's where we went kanina. That's Market 57. May mga food hall. Tapos, dun kami galing sa rooftop. Ayun o, yun yung nandun sa pinakataas. Yun yung rooftop. Tapos ito yung view. This is Little Island. We're going there now. According to Google, ang Little Island daw is one of their newest public park here in New York. Tapos, nag-iiba-iba daw yung theme nung Little Island na park na to. So, depende daw sa season, something like that. Tapos, merong mga concerts din na ginagawa dito, shows, kasi may mga podium. Tapos, pwede kang magmuni-muni dito, mag-jogging. Kaya ang dami nag-jogging dito today. Saan ka makakita ng ganito sa Pilipinas? Uy. Bakit? May karapatan tayong magreklamo. We are taxpayers and we are...
More than voters, we are taxpayers. Ang laki-laki nang napupunta sa gobyerno sa tax
Tapos
namin.
walang ginagawa, di ba? Ang ganda! See, I told you it's serene here. May snow pa. There's still snow here. Hindi pa natutunaw until now. Tapos, ano siya, iba-ibang levels. Maraming pwedeng gawin dito sa park na to. So, yung asawa ko, hindi pa nakakita ng snow yan. Pero ngayon, makakahawa ka na ng snow. Ah!
Nice na ice pa.
Nice na. Oo, dahan-dahan mo. Tuwan-tuwa siya. Gusto mo ng eksena under the bridge? Ayan, pwede rin. O, diba? Ang ganda. So, bawat levels may mga activities. Ayan, like yun. Meron dyan. May mga view din, of course. Katuwa. So nice, guys. Look. Ah. Tapos may show dito. Dito yung show. Yan. Diyan usually may nagpa-perform. Tapos you can watch from here per level. So marami rin nag-yoga daw dito. Nagme-meditate. Kasi nga, ito yung makikita mong view. Diba? Sarap ng ganito. Chill ka lang. Pwede kang gumawa ng kahit ano, magbasa ng libro. Date kayo, muni-muni kayo. Walang bayad.
Sa Pier 57.
Bumili ka lang ng pagkain sa Pier 57, dali mo
$15,
dito.
hati na kayo.
Oo,
Sobrang
laki
laki
na
pa ng
nun.
serving.
Diba? Ang saya. Dito maglaro ka lang ng ML.
Excuse me guys, mag-date lang muna kami.
Wow.
Bye.
So as you go up and up and up, merong mga upuan naman yan. Like kanina, nag-upo kami dun. Ito yung view na makikita nyo. In New York! Ayan, meron pang viewing deck sa taas. This is the viewing deck. Tada! Grabe, sunog na naman siguro yung mukha ko dito. Welcome to Highline. At yun lang talagang tawag dito. So, Highline is actually the lifeline of New York. Bakit? Kasi, if you can see, these are railings. Yan. Old railings from before. Ito yung way nila to transport meat products, dairy products, and yung mga mabibigat na mga ano sa New York City. Kaya siya tinawag na lifeline of New York. It's also one of the tourist spots kasi it's also considered a park now. May mga nakalagay sa kanilang, ayan o, mga description. So you can see the railings from this. With the view of New York dito sa side na to at saka merong view ng sea dito sa side na to. Nakakatuwa kasi pwede ka mag-chill lang dito. Mahal ang galing ano. So what can you say?
Talagang ano, even an old track.
You can produce something beautiful out of an old track. Ganon.
Very ano,
Speechless ka na.
oh, speechless ako kasi parang they really thought of something that they can make people go to.
Mm-mm. So, galing, galing. Ang daming mga upuan dito na pwede mong upuan, pwede mong
Date.
i-date, pwede ka mag-date dito,
Pwede mag-date.
libre lang. With this view and with this weather.
How much more if may greens na dito? Mas maganda pa.
Oo. Kung may greens. Oo nga, paano pag autumn or spring?
Yeah.
Kasi winter ngayon
Ganda.
Shucks, imagine niyo to, pagka spring or autumn. Oh my gosh, look at that.
Yeah.
So while walking towards the vessel, nakakatuwa kasi yung mga neighborhood, ang gaganda ng kulay. Tingnan nyo. Ang ganda. Looks like you're in Europe, pero ito yung mga apartments nila. Sobrang amazing. I really suggest that if you guys go here in New York, appreciate the walking.
Yes.
Kasi dun sa walking, pag nag-walk kayo, dun yung makikita yung mga magagandang structures, yung mga quaint shops, and restaurants, and coffee shop. Mas ma-appreciate nyo siya ng nilalakad kesa subway. Kung 20-minute walk, it's totally fine. Like, parang mga 2 kilometer or 1 kilometer lang talaga siya. Parang gano'n. Buti hindi kami nag-subway kasi hindi namin makikita tong neighborhood. Tingnan nyo, ang gaganda. So, naalala nyo kanina yung High Line. So, pagka diretso mo yan, yung nasa taas yung bridge na yon. Dire-diretso na yan going to the vessel. Kaya yung bridge na yan kanina, dapat pala diniretso na lang namin. Ang ginawa namin, bumaba pa kami. Kasi nag-CR ako. Pero pwede mo siyang dire-diretsohin papunta sa the vessel. That's nice. Oh yeah, we need to go up daw. We're back in the Highlands and look at the view. Boom! Oh my God, look at this. So nice. Ang ganda mo! Towards the end of Highline, you'll see this view. And you can sit here. For example, ayan. So, ito yung view mo. Ayan yung view mo. O, diba? You know guys, walking here, hindi mo mararamdaman na mahaba na yung nilalakad mo
Yeah.
kasi sobrang ganda ng view. As in.
Your eyes are going to feast on
Yeah.
what you're seeing because it's really beautiful.
Yeah. Imagine, oh, para ka nang nasa Europe. Wow! Look at this structure. Grabe. I can't emphasize enough how beautiful this walkway is. The High Line na tinatawag nila. Sulit yung 20-minute walk na to. Tapos ganito yung makikita mo. Mga buildings, mga apartments nila. Sobrang ganda. Ganda ng neighborhood. Saka makakahanap ng ganyang neighborhood. Para ka rin nasa Europe. Kasi yung mga bahay sa Europe or mga structure, merong brick din. Ma-brick din kasi. So, parang ganun din dito. Tingnan nyo, nasa taas namin. Boom! That's the edge. So, if you're planning to go there sa edge, yung building na yan, yung nakikita nyo may triangle. It's a tourist spot. Meron sa Klook niyan, pero hindi na namin yan in-avail kasi syempre, budgeted din. Tapos, at the same time, parang we had enough views na. Super dami naming nakakitang may view. Parang happy na kami. Although, that edge is an experience because transparent yung floor. Makikita mo talaga yung baba. Kaya nakikita mo edge talaga siya. Thank you for visiting the High Line. Ito na. Sumisilip na. Everybody, this is the vessel. Look at that. It's so pretty. It's so nice. Wow, look at that.
What the heck?
Tapos na kami sa the vessel. Picture lang, mabilis lang. Hindi na kami umakyat. $10 pag aakyat ka. View lang din naman yun. Feeling ko ang dami na namin ginawang may view. So, we're now walking towards the subway. We're going back to Times Square. Pwede namang lakarin, 27-minute walk. Pero, May meet kasi kami in 30 minutes. So, ayaw rin naman na maliit. So, we're gonna take the subway na lang. Going to the subway. Ayan, medyo maganda-ganda yung subway nila dito, no? Kasi siguro dahil Chelsea to. Mas modern. Malinis dito. Ito yata yung pinakamalinis na subway na nasakyan namin. Ay nadaanan namin. Mabilis tsaka maliwanag, hindi masikip. Papunta kami ng Times Square. Oh my God, naku, iiwanan na ako ni Mike. Yan yung route. One stop lang kami.
And 41st.
Yan. Oo. Alam nyo guys, dito sa New York, you will really see the weirdest, craziest things. Yung mga tao dito, hindi mo maintindihan. We're in Times Square. Now, what street is it? 45th Street. We are in 7th Ave. So, dito tayo. So, maglalakad kami hanggang 45th Street going to Junior's Restaurant and Bakery. Doon kami mag-early dinner kasi manonood kami ng Broadway, Harry Potter. Harry Potter and the Cursed Child. So, yung Harry Potter na yun yung nangyari after ng Harry Potter series. So, may anak na sila. Mas malaki na yung anak nila, di ba? Tama?
Yes.
Pero hindi namin alam kung anong story kasi nga, syempre, hindi naman siya na movie. Ayan, nandito na tayo sa 45th. So, returning right, I left. Then we'll see the juniors in the Junior's Bakery and Restaurant. Walang tao.
Come to think of it, ay kita mo ba?
Yeah. We're watching Harry Potter tonight. Someone's excited to watch our second Broadway show, Harry Potter. Grabe, ang laki ng theater, oh. Meron dito, meron sa mga ganyan. It's so big. Guys, tapos na yung Harry Potter. Alam niyo ba, sobrang ganda. As in...
Hindi nakatulog ang wife ko.
Yeah, hindi ako nakatulog.
Ganun siya kaganda na hindi siya
Ganun siya kaganda. Tapos, imagine, hindi siya musical pero yung magic inside the theater, grabe yung effects. Nothing I've ever seen before. I hope they bring this to the Philippines. I don't know how are they gonna do this, pero grabe
They
yung
did.
effects. Ano masasabi mo?
Well, speechless. Everyone should really watch. It's really beautiful. Magwa-wonder ka talaga how they did all the magic. Amazing. Amazing. They even had something na magugulat ka na,
O kung nanood ka ng Harry Potter, yung Dementors, magugulat ka sa Dementors. As in,
Galing.
galing nun. Galing.
Yeah. There's also another spell.
There's a telephone. Kaya. Ilang minutes? Yay! There we are! Woo! Times Square, baby! Woo! What can you say? You're in Times
Ang bilis!
Square.
Ang bilis! Bye, Times Square!
Bye, Times Square!
See you again soon. Ganda nung billboard namin, di ba? 15 seconds lang yun. Binook namin sa Klook. Pwede nyong i-book din yun when you go here in New York. Bye! Good morning from New Jersey. Since we're staying here, it's our last day, technically. We're gonna fly later na to San Francisco. Dinala kami nung mga hosts namin dito sa Liberty State Park. So, it's a park where you can see New York from the other side. Kasi di ba magkatabi lang naman sila. And then, we were brought here in the Empty Sky Memorial. So, kung makikita nyo itong nasa harap ko, itong mga bakal na to ay galing sa World Trade Center from 9/11. So, ibig sabihin na sira yung World Trade Center. Ito yung mga bakal na tumawid from the explosion. Ganun siya katindi. So, umabot siya dito sa Jersey City. Grabe. Kung makikita nyo, ito yung kamay ko. Sobrang liit lang pero ang lalaki ng mga ano. Yan o. Sobrang bakal talaga. Kaya itong bakal na to, ginawa nila to ng memorial, which is ito. So from here, when you look at this, makikita mo yung World Trade Center now. Ang ganda rin ng ginawa nila dito. You can really come up with a beautiful thing from a bad thing, diba? So, ito yung nakalagay. Basahin natin. It says, Empty Sky, New Jersey, September 11 Memorial. On the morning of September 11, 2001, with the sky so clear that the Twin Towers across the river appeared to be within reach, the very essence of what our country stands for. Freedom, tolerance, and the pursuit of happiness was attacked. This memorial is dedicated to New Jersey's innocent loved ones who were violently and senselessly murdered that day at the World Trade Center, the Pentagon, and in Shanksville, Pennsylvania, Bato, PA. So, as you can see here, these are the names of the people from New Jersey who died. So, naka-imprint sila dito sa mga sides na to. Yan, tsaka dito sa sides na to. These are the people who died from New Jersey. Grabe yung story. Yan, nakalagay pa dito, let this memorial reflect the legacies of those whose lives were lost, that their fulfilled dreams and hopes may result in a better future for society. Their unique qualities and characteristics enrich our lives immeasurably, and through this memorial, their stories shall live on. This is the Manhattan skyline. So, you'll see World Trade Center there. Yan. Tapos, dito sa kabila may Empire State, tapos yung The Edge, nandiyan na rin siya. This is on the side of New Jersey. So, we're here in the park. So, pwede ka rin umupo dito, mag-jogging, mag-yoga, I don't know. Ganda, ganda. Say hi, Sela. Here. Say hi. So, behind me is the old railroad or old train station. Tapos dito sa harap nito, merong cruise for Statue of Liberty coming here from New Jersey. Kasi sabi nung friend namin, yung Statue of Liberty daw talaga is in the side of New Jersey, pero nakaharap siya sa New York. Tapos pupunta tayo dito sa loob. Ito yung old train station nila. Nakasara kasi ngayon eh, dito sa Liberty State Park. Ayan o, may mga pictures sa loob kung anong itsura.
Hi.
Ayan ang simple life. So nice. So nice in this park. Alam mo yung parang ang sarap magpahinga kasi ang daming park. Ito pala yung ano, old train siguro, no? Yan siguro yung old train. We are eating here in ano to? M by something. It's a place, new place here in New Jersey. And look at their pistachio flat croissant. Nutella flat croissant. And Biscoff flat croissant. They also have this Dubai chocolate, plain croissant, and then pistachio croissant. Look at the interior, it's so nice. Guys, this is French toast na Dubai chocolate. Yung uso ngayon. Tapos this is the egg burger with truffle
Fries.
And then the mac and cheese na truffle. Tapos tong truffle wings. It's all truffle. We're here in Newark Airport. New Jersey. We're going to San Francisco now. Ang bilis lang dito, walang pila. Pagbaba namin sa kotse, check-in na agad, nag-print lang kami ng bag tags. Tapos, ano na kami? Punta na kami sa gate namin. Ganun siya kabilis. Look at this one. Grabe. So nice. Check-in. Here.